So we've done the judging for this week's lifestyle competition, and this week's winner, winning a brand new Rolex Deepsea watch, which I have in this lovely Rolex case here, is David Andgart. I've got his details on my phone. Let's try and FaceTime him and give him the good news. Hello, is that David Andgart?
Yeah, it is.
Hi, Christian from BOTB. How are you? Oh, we've lost him already. David, we lost you. Sorry, you're back.
Yeah, I'm here.
So you entered into our lifestyle competition this week, David, and I believe you're out in, is it Sweden you live?
Yeah, I live in southern Sweden.
Whereabouts in Sweden?
Southern Sweden, just as far south as you can get in Sweden.
Okay, and what's the weather like in Sweden at the moment?
Really nice. It's a bit cold, but it's sunny and nice. So
we can go with cold as long as it's sunny. That's good. Well, yeah. David, you entered into our lifestyle competition, and I'm pleased to say you are this week's winner. If I flip this phone around, you have won something very special in this box. Do you remember?
I wanted for a really long time.
So you've been playing for a Rolex for a while?
Yeah, I have actually.
Well, I have a box here, and if I open it, I'm pleased to say you are this week's winner of the lifestyle competition, and you've won a brand new Rolex Deepsea watch.
It's incredible. Yeah. I'm lost for words here.
So this is a £9,700 watch. Do you do any diving?
No, I don't, but maybe I'll have to start.
Well, if you start, you're going to have to go down to 3,900 metres, because that's how far this watch will operate. And if I just get it out of the box here, it is quite the chunky piece of kit. Look at that.
Yeah, I know. I've been looking for one to even try out, but I'm a kind of a big guy, so hopefully it fits.
It'll fit you well.
Yeah.
Do you think this is a watch that you'll wear kind of out and about, or maybe just for special occasions?
I'm gonna wear it all the time, I think. Actually.
Good.
Yeah, they're made to be worn, so.
Absolutely. That's what watches are there to be had with. Obviously, you can wear them as much as you like. Well, it's a fantastic watch. There's some really cool little features of it as well. If you ever did go diving and you took it deep, it's got a pressure release valve on the side of it, which will release the pressure so the casing of the watch doesn't implode when you go down to a deep sea. But if you're not going to do too much diving, I wouldn't worry too much about that. It looks fantastic, and the good thing with these Rolexes, you can wear them pretty much with any kind of really smart clothes, casual clothes, and they look really good either way.
Yeah. It's gonna be so nice to get it in my hands.
Well, we will get it sent to you as soon as we possibly can. Congratulations again.
Yeah, thank you. It couldn't be better. I actually lost for words here. It's
rabbit in headlights moment.
Yeah.
It looks. Is that your house you're in? It looks like you're in a shed.
Yeah, we're renovating a bit, so that's our upstairs.
Oh, right.
So I have some work to do.
Well, for half a second I was like, oh my god, I really hope I haven't just disrespected your house by saying it looks like you live in a shed, but it's fine.
No problem. It's a shed right now, but it will be gorgeous when it's finished.
I'm sure it will be. Well, congratulations again, and we'll talk a bit later on today. Have a great week.
Okay, thank you.
No worries. Massive congratulations again to David Andgart winning this brand new Rolex Deepsea watch. I absolutely love these watches. Great watch, great winner. Congrats to him again. If you are playing the BOTB lifestyle competition this week, whether it's for a watch, cold hard cash, maybe even a holiday, we wish you the best of luck.